Ah, Sonic the Hedgehog! Snooping as usual, I see.
Zoe, come forth from your chamber window. Hello? How now, brown cow? Your voice is like a songbird singing, songs. And you smell. What? Like a cow.
I know you have my dick in your...
Hi, I'm so hot. Don't be jealous because I'm so pretty.
Who are you?
I'm a cock.
Hoity-toity. Oh, man.
Let's go for a big boy ride.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Yeah! Yay! The exploding. Oh.
Got him!
Toaster tooth!
You sure you don't have sus?
Nope. It's just you and me for 2,000 years.
2,000 years later.
You jerk! I'm going to consume you. That's great, Tails.
Diabetes.
That's not what I was thinking at all.
Man, I totally
Look like a bitch.
eater of biscuit.
Nice to meet you.
I'm hungry!
It's going down. I'm yelling timber.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hey, Dix. How's Dix? I see you're making Dix.
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I have a proposition for you.
Find some. There is a certain princess in a castle I'd like to meet.
You said number 11.
Are you ready, kids? Oh, shit! I didn't mean that literally. It was a taunt.
Saying,
It was a taunt.
saying,
Taunt?
food and mingle with elegant guests.
This is my male cock. No sticks. Ladies don't
Oh, you?
Start with a cock.
Leroy the Turtle? Sus.
Enough with the sauce! Sauce of the thunder! Sauce!
I have irritable bowel syndrome.
Called me here. Oh, the hedge! Hey, everybody, look! Is here!
Who used all the D? All I have left is knobs, which are worthless.
Oh, my.
Wee!
Convention.
Flap, flap, flapping my albatross wings. Flap, flap, flapping my albatross wings.
Well, we've still got a little montage time left.
So long, sus.
Meanwhile,
Enough with the sauce!
I think it's time for the talk.
Weeks to clean up all this slime. You can stay at my burrow. I got a whole room dedicated to slime.
Seriously? I don't really see the point of...
today, I'm going to teach you how to face your fears. Now, the first step to facing your fears is...
time.
What the fuck? This is
Delicious!
Behold! The Mega Microwave Water Microwave Mega Water Water Vaporizer.
As if you were explaining it to me.
Ghost!
I do.
No way! I want to spend all my time with you. And I know just how to do it.
Everyone die! Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Congratulations!
You get nothing!
Oh, Sonic! Burn bot can! I hate that hedgehog! Penis! Are you ready, kids?
Ready doesn't even fucking describe it!
Letter, huh? I don't know. Paper folded over itself. Just sticks. You've been nominated for an award. They really need a better name for that thing.
It's like Mardi Gras in my mouth.
Why did you call us here?
We all share a mutual enemy, Sauce the Hedgehog.
Enough with the sauce!
Zap!
Silence, We've got a brand new Bjorgen Sklargen. Now let's dominate this cheap piece of furniture!
Your package.
What should we wish no...
Think again, Sauce.
Enough with the sauce!
We're your family, Knuckles.
Gay!
I totally got this. Huh?
Is this a bad time to ask for my check?
Can I have your autograph, mister?
Garage business.
We're awesome role models.
It's the seat! It's the seat!
Itself.
It's a great price. It's only $3.99. And got matching headphones. Free. How's your sex life?
Go, Tails.
I can't keep track of you anymore.
Junk. 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 Evil Boot Warehouse.
Your lasers are a ridiculous shade of dick.
Well, even so, this is gonna be a piece of... I can totally this! Watch this, babe!
Oh! Send me a piece out for dinner. Dinner. Fun, fun, fun. After you've scrubbed all the floors in Hyrule, then we can talk about dinner. Dinner. See?
Hey, paisanos! It's the Super Show! And so it begins.
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, faster, faster!
Do not attempt to move or we'll be shooting ourselves.
No, 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 no!
Oh, wait, me too?
So am I!
You too, Tails. Yeah, whatever. Sticks? No way. Sticks. Okay. That's awful!
Stop saying that!
Sonic the Hedgehog, are you stupid? You're horrible! You deserve awful things! I'm gonna kill Knuckles!
Hey!
You're fat.
Why would you say that?
I'm yelling words! Come, come, my lady. Come, come, my lady.
You're my butterfly, sugar, baby, such a sex.
I'll get a...
Just lose it. Go crazy.
We were gonna roast Flashlight and play Wiener Tag.
Every day I'm shuffling.
We're making history!
I see no villains, just some whose only ability is time.
There goes Sonic, and he's taken Knuckles hostage!
Sauce!
Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus.
Let's get to bashing butts as well as these nuts.
It's all some evil plot, man! First he lures us in with some terrible roommate boy, but then wham! Out comes this 50-foot of anaconda! That's all! We gotta get out of here. Guys, we have to help him. If we don't, we'll be no better than he is.
I like a sex machine!
Hello, guys!
Please, Dave! I'm begging you for mercy! I have no mercy. I work in the fast food industry. Whoa.
Fucking gay?
Giggity, 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 let's have sex!
YouTube poop. Honor a real fingers, bro.
Oh, bless that fingers!
To the covers, snakes and lovers, turn the lights off.
The power's out!
Oh, Sonic the villain.
Really, nigga?
No, I meant it's not his MAC.
Yeah, need a ride?
Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks.
What, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
Look how many people lined up at the Muckfoot Museum to see my photo.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
You're over. We didn't find your hammer, but we did find the...
Spice-stealing sauce!
Enough with the sauce!
Don't lie to me. They stinks!
What'd you say,
Don't call me I'm not Amy.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Mike, are you really working for Eggman? Blink twice if you're in danger. Wow, you really don't blink, do you?
Oh!
And they never should have changed the color of Tomatopotamus's legs.
The shadow!
Who's he?
What you say? That you only meant well.
I am totally busted. Knuckles didn't mean to think that. He's not the sharpest tool in the shed.
The sharpest tool in the shed.
Oh! Hi, fool. Send me a piece for dinner. Dinner. Fun. After you've scrubbed all the floors in Hyrule, then we can talk about dinner. See?
Hey, paisanos! It's the Super Mario Brothers Super Show!
It's not his MAC.
I just got it!
At this rate, those batteries should last another decade. Take this map and find a new crystal.
We're on it. Say no more.
I had nothing more to say.
Desperate times indeed.
Fingers!
They call me
Mega Faggot!
for a reason.
There are so many possibilities. It would take me centuries to figure out how long it would take me to figure out the right combination.
Huh?
What the hell was that crap?
Lousy security camera.
Oh no.
I'm getting bored.
Okay,
What you say? That you only meant well.
What's going through your fucking mind? Where's the lamb sauce? Where's the lamb sauce? That's cooked to fuck. It's barely edible.
Lex bicycles want injure Percy safety. First, kill Percy. Never kill me. Kill Netburger.
What Percy really needs is death! Have death!
Sure you didn't.
You don't know the way.
Hey! I'm not stupid.
I prefer to stand.
Of course. You
Motherfucker.
You. I like standing.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Sauce.
7 a.m. and I go back to sleep.
What just happened?
I you. What's going on?
Not sure.
It's going after Classic. That's no good.
Sonic.
In your face!
Behold, rodents! Prepare to face the most fearsome destructive force ever to grace this or any other world!
Sonic and Knuckles! In 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 Knuckles!
It'll be just a minute. Feel free to talk amongst yourselves.
You know, for kids.
Here comes the... Here comes the...
Fancy fine suit, I can see.
Mostly my face!
Oh, irony, I didn't see you coming. If only I had a twisted way.
No.
Twisted
Penis!
Hunter, Sonic ass!
I'll smash our way in.
We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city.
All right, Knuckles!
We built this city on rock and roll.
I don't know any numbers.
Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. I believe I can. Shut the fuck up!
Wait, what?
What you say?
Looking at me.
This heat is more oppressive than my fingers. Melted, 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 melted. Man, victory selfie!
Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice.
My one weakness!
Get the fuck over here!
You guys, you gotta snap out of it! This isn't you! It's the
Monster that's under my bed.
Hello, guys!
Don't touch it!
Doesn't. I guess he'll probably die. Room, 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 room.
Gay!
Ugh.
You're fired, pal. Get it?
Ain't nobody got time for that!
Guess not. Father to him.
Why you always lying?
Shiny things! I do love shiny things!
You die.
No! Knuckles.
For my roller coasters. Evil little finger junk.
Coming, coming, coming!
What the?
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Mayday, mayday, mayday! 915 Lima! I'm in...
How can I help you, King DDD? I need a monster to claw, but
Pandemonium EJP.
that's what we do best at NEDM.
What does the fuck say?
better to Zoe,
So fragile it breaks.
Let me use my penis muscle.
Silence! Silence is the correct answer.
Clap on. Clap on.
And here's the gift.
How we eat Matt. That's how we eat Matt. Score Matt. That's who it. Score one for Egg Matt. Just gotta flash this.
Guys, if Eggman needs Unami, he can stay.
Smoke weed. Smoke weed.
No. Tails, you are amazing.
You know, for kids.
Mind?
Yo. Dumpster behind.
This one doesn't look so bad.
I'm Drew. This Swifty catch you around, dude, and lady dudes.
I'd love to do. Me too. Oh, fainting party.
Pale tails.
And so I cry sometimes when
As usual, I see.
Rock cocaine. It isn't glamorous or cool.
Victory selfie!
Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice. My one weakness.
Do it. Uh-oh, gotta go.
Oh no!
It's okay. It's just a small stain. We can fix this.
I got a wicked boner.
Warning, this YouTube poop is a lot dirtier than I thought it would be. Seriously, this creator might be a pervert, I don't know. Anyway, just letting you know.
He's the star of the show. He's more than you think. He's got maximum overdrive.
I knew I should have gotten the term.
Well, I'm not gonna allow my dicks to slowly creep across my eye.
Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus.
Oh, man. Trust me, it's for the best. Pale tails, pale!
You are
Hold on. My head's still pounding from the— Go! Wait, what?
Here lights on it. He ran fast and died a virgin.
Hey!
How about a kiss?
You've got to be kidding.
How could this happen to me?
You've got to be kidding.
Take it from her! I was gonna share it. Oh, never mind then.
Hey!
Rock your body.
Sus, need night look.
Oh yeah! I don't foresee any problem trying to do with my hand.
No. Zoe! Hello? Cow? You smell like stinkweed. What? Oh. Help! Hang on!
Hey, look at me! I'm having a...
Hey, could you string...
Ow!
That guy got hit in the head with a coconut!
I feel too much corn.
What the fuck is that?
And not a single fuck was given that day.
What a one.
Kirby, Kirby, that's me. Know what you know. He's the star of the show. Yeah! More than you think I'm now machines. Kirby, Kirby, Kirby's the one.
Someone is stealing all the logical explanation. Let's sell it back to Pirate Hales. Technology Sentry sitting in its sticks. INFECTING. That's pretty. We never discussed that.
Work.
No! How about another wheelbarrow race?
Okay, Tails. Huh? What? Oh yeah, I was gonna say go, but then hi, but then go, but then hi. See you later.
Oh, I see what's going on
Not
here.
this train wreck again.
You were amazing.
You know, for kids.
What the what? Ah! What the what? Ah! That's more like it!
Yeah.
Ah! What the what? Ah! Ah! What the what?
Hey Sonic, you there? Coming.
What the? Zero to 9? Oh, well, that's what good roomies do! We have fun!
Book, reproduction, is about stakes. When you were a badass, acted like a basketball. Am I gay? Nope.
I love the Power Glove. It's so
Come on, walk that body.
Rock your body.
Sus.
Beaverton.
Beaverton!
Shut the fuck.
My friends were lousy.
Amy Rose is a big rose.
Sure you didn't.
You don't know the way.
You'll have to be a lady. I'm not your puppet. I'm not your puppet.
Said anything about one-on-one.
Hey, look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Call off your goons or I'll into next stupid.
Hey! I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
I'm stupid.
All right.
That ends round one. Knuckles and Mike.
What's wrong with jungle chips and seesaws?
Nothing. I just love turning down.
Losers.
Asshole! I am asshole! I am an asshole! I am an asshole!
Hello there!
Bye.
What the fuck?
Only no one in my mouth is handing out burgers.
He's got...
He's jumping 6 inches up.
Bitch.
Give me a burger.
Buy my break.
Time for some rescuing, baby!
Remember, give me a call. I'm Drew. This Swifty catch you around, dude. And lady dudes.
I'd love to do. Me too. Oh, fainting party.
See the way he pulled down his sunglasses and winked? Oh, he's perfect.
I know. If he ever visited me, I'd disable all my booby.
The window.
I say we dress up like pizza delivery guys.
My idea has pizzazz.
My idea has pizza.
I have crippling depression.
I fell into a burning ring of fire.
Okay. What's the difference? My greatest crooks are origami by we are at the MC. Yes.
Guys. What's going on?
I'll up the levels too.
What? Ow! Get off of me! Me! Now this is going nice.
You guys, stop! We've been
Pingers!
wiped UT and replaced him with this UT monster.
Hey, look out!
Stick my nuts, suck my butt, suck my butt. Stick my nuts, suck my butt, suck my butt.
That was close.
Fuck your ass! Or the other toaster?
Ha ha! Here's the problem. Too many toasters.
Room,
Gay!
And we're finally done. Yeah!
Great job, Tails.
Kotaku!
You can't stop me now! Herbie! I win! You lose!
It was at this moment that King DDD knew he fucked up.
Uh-oh.
I'm finished.